WLKY weather with meteorologist Chris Johnson.
All right, folks, mostly cloudy for today. It's been on the cooler side, especially to our north. Our southern communities a touch milder, but all in all, cloudy and cooler, a few sprinkles and some showers along the way, although most of us have been on the drier side. We look towards downtown, cloudy skies winning out. Right now, we're on the calm side. We have had a few of those sprinkles and light showers passing through the area. That trend continues throughout this evening, but best rain chances are slated for late tonight into your Sunday. Right now, temperatures sitting at 54 degrees, and you can see the spread as far as temperatures are concerned. To our north, near 50 across southern portions of Indiana. Look at this, low 60s across our far southern and southeastern communities. And some of that warmer air and moisture begins to surge in, actually, as we head throughout this evening. Doppler radar, as we scan the skies, you can see a few light returns showing up in spots. That's some of the sprinkles and perhaps light showers that we've had in spots throughout today. Again, most of us throughout a bulk of the day have been on the drier side. We'll hold on to that small sprinkle shower chance throughout this evening. Temperatures actually warming as we go from early evening into late evening. Notice temperatures climbing a few degrees into the middle 50s, and notice what happens there as we head through late tonight. Some of the chances for those showers begin to ramp up. Eventually, the rain chances become likely late tonight and into your Sunday morning, all because of this system. Pretty powerful cold front working through the Ohio Valley, bringing not only the rain chances, but folks, there's a lot of wind energy upstairs, and that's going to make its way to the service. And for us, that means winds are going to be on the gusty side as we head through tonight and throughout your Sunday morning and Sunday afternoon. In fact, wind advisory out for the entire WLKY viewing area. This means wind gusts up to 45 miles per hour at times will be a possibility late tonight and through a bulk of your Sunday morning. That looks to continue as well into Sunday afternoon. By Sunday night, those winds finally begin to relax. As far as the rain chances are concerned, they're making a run at us too, along with those gusty winds. Notice overnight tonight into your Sunday morning, those scattered showers, even a few embedded thunderstorms will be a possibility. The cold front begins to make its way through the area early tomorrow morning. Not expecting severe weather, but some heavier rainfall at times, some gusty winds. That will be our main concern. But hey, by mid to late morning, the front is pushing eastward. Drier skies will take over. And believe it or not, sunny skies taking over throughout your Sunday afternoon. It'll just be on the breezy side as we head throughout the day. We look ahead, another warm up is on the horizon. You just have to hang tight in there. Temperature-wise, chilly to start early next week. Temperatures on the cooler side, we're talking lower to mid 50s for those afternoon highs, especially into Tuesday and Wednesday. That cold front sweeps through, brings a reinforcing cool shot of air. Then high pressure begins to slide towards the east. Later on next week, that means a more southerly wind flow takes over and temperatures start warming up because of it. All right, here's a look at that 7-day forecast. Hey, we get past this system, Drew, the next 7 days. I don't have any rain chances on there. Lots of sunshine, and look at those high temperatures. We're going from the lower 50s by midweek to near 70 for a high this time next weekend. Not bad. Not bad at all.
For November, I'll take it. Thanks,
Absolutely.
Chris.
Sure.
Well, after the passing of Kentucky